Hi, welcome to CyberLabs. Kindly subscribe for more cybersecurity content. In today's video, we'll look at how attackers execute SSH brute force attacks, how security analysts investigate and detect them through log analysis, and finally, how to mitigate and block these attacks. Let's start by checking the IP address of our target machine, our Kali Linux victim VM. To find the IP, we run ifconfig. Now that we have the target IP address, let's switch over to our attacker machine. We will launch the brute force attack using Hydra with the following command: Hydra -l demo -p/usr/share/wordlists/rocku.txt ssh://victim_IP -t4. This command initiates the attack, testing passwords sequentially against the target SSH server. If a weak password exists in our dictionary file, Hydra will extract it. As you can see on the screen, the password has been successfully cracked. Now, let's switch back to our victim machine to investigate whether our SSH server has experienced any unauthorized access or brute force attempts. We will execute this command to review our system logs: sudo journalctl -u ssh grep failed password. Looking at these logs, it's clear that an automated brute force attack has indeed taken place. Next, we will run a filtered command to identify the specific IP address behind the attack and determine the total number of malicious attempts. Sudo journalctl -u ssh grep failed password grep -O e parentheses prime box 1 to 3 period prime braces 3 prime box 1 to 3 parentheses pipeline sort pipeline unique -c. Here you can see the attacker's IP address along with the exact count of malicious authentication attempts. Let's launch the attack once more from our attacker machine so we can monitor incoming malicious traffic in real time. To view incoming failed authentication events as they occur on the victim machine, we run sudo journalctl -u ssh -f. As soon as the command runs, you can see live log entries stream across the screen, detailing each failed attempt alongside the attacker's IP address. Now, let's mitigate this active threat using firewall rules to drop incoming traffic from the attacker's IP. Sudo iptables -A input -s actual attacker IP -j drop. With this firewall rule applied, the attack is instantly neutralized. As you can see, the brute force process on the attacker machine has frozen and completely stopped. To protect your systems from SSH brute force attacks, always enforce strong, complex passwords, or better yet, implement SSH key-based authentication. Additionally, continuously monitor system authentication logs for anomalous network traffic. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to CyberLabs.